Video we were discussing about the characteristics of restriction endonucleases. Okay, so first important characteristic is restriction endonucleases have the property of cutting or cleaving the nucleic acid molecule. Okay, second important thing property is it will recognize, it will be having a restriction site only at a particular region in the nucleic acid. The endonucleases will cut. It will recognize the region. So here restriction site will be composed of two components. One is the recognition site. Another one is the catalytic site. Okay. Another important feature of restriction endonucleases is the restriction endonucleases will be having a methylation system. Methylation system means due to the methylation system, the restriction endonucleases can able to methylate the host DNA. It will can able to methylate the DNA and it will protects the DNA from cleavage. Okay, methylation system is also known as the modification system. Restriction modification system. Restriction means it is going to cut the nucleic acid. Restriction modification means it will not cut the nucleic acid. It will modify the restriction site. Okay. This methylation property of the restriction endonucleases is also known as the modification property because of the methylation it will modify the restriction site. It will modify the endonucleases. Because of the methylation, endonucleases will modify the recognition site. Earlier, that particular nucleic acid is identified as the recognition site. So, consider this as the DNA without any methylation. So, when restriction endonuclease, it will recognize the unmethylated DNA and it will cut the DNA into two pieces. But if you have any methyl group, in the DNA, then when the restriction endonucleases come across the methylated DNA, it does not recognize the same site as the recognition site. Why? Because the recognition site is modified. Recognition site is modified. And why it is modified? Because of the methylation. Okay. This is the most important property of restriction enzyme. Okay, restriction in endonucleases can be also having the methylation protein, methylation subunit, where this particular methylation property will modify the restriction site. That's why it is also known as the restriction modification property.